Next, we have this tweet from Steve Young. There was a better tweet I saw as well from this guy, Jonathan Liu. I forget what product he works on, but essentially it's showing this Apple Pay for subscriptions within apps, which is part of the legislation or court decisions that were part of the Apple lawsuit. I believe with Epic Games is actually who really decided it or who really pushed it forward, where now you can pay through Stripe for subscriptions on apps. So you don't need to pay the 30% like walled garden tax. You only need to pay 5% for Stripe is the example here. And it's just really fascinating. It looks really beautiful. Like, I don't think users would have any problem with this. So if you do have an app that takes subscriptions, definitely worth looking into. Obviously, it will take some time to build and handle the webhooks and all these different things. But if you're using RevenueCat, I think they do support it out the box. I could be wrong there, but I believe they do have support for web paywalls, which is essentially what this is. Even though it's directly built in, it's like supporting like the external payment system from Apple, and just super fascinating. And it'll be interesting to see how the industry evolves here as well, because Apple obviously doesn't want to lose their 30%, but they're kind of being court mandated to support it. I think there was some talk about like how if you support like the external payments, you also need to support native Apple payments. But nonetheless, this is a very beautiful Apple Pay modal, and I don't think consumers would have any problem with paying for this. Whereas like if you actually linked out to an external website, I do think you would lose conversion.